All right, round two, you guys. Little two-seater. There you go. Nice. Dart. You don't see many of these around. It's original. It's original right there. You can tell. Don't you do those around, do you?
No.
I like how easy it is to get to the alternator.
Yep.
This is original.
360 is a good block.
Damn right. 4-barrel. Oh my goodness. Easy to work on. Mechanic's dream right there.
360 and 340 were their sweet spot.
Absolutely. Nice. Yep. Street Machine Nationals. 1973 Dodge. The Dodge brothers be proud. Oh, this big bad boy. Won't even fit in my garage. Oh, baby boy. This is up to Hinckley, the casino up in Hinckley or something, driving up there. This is the car right here. Nice. Classic. All right. Gotta stay over here so it's not so hot. I had to sit down for a little bit, let the camera cool down after one video because it's just hot. So I walk over Challenger. It's nice. And these are, I mean, these are nice. This one, you know, but.
You see how they look.
1966 Ford Fairline. I love the license plate. That's cool. That's very creative. What do you guys think? What was your first car you guys ever had?
Oh, I had a Volkswagen Notchback.
Mine was a 65 Chevy Impala.
Oh yeah, that's what my wife's first car was.
SS.
Yep, nice.
The old 283 Power Glide.
She had 283, 3 on the tree.
Oh, no, I didn't have 3 on the tree, but I get that. The old days, I remember the 3 on the tree. I worked for KTEL, and my first day in the job, I had to learn the 3 on the tree in a Dodge.
Yep, there you
Man,
go.
what the hell is this? I remember that. 3 on the tree in a Dodge.
Well, at least you were used to shifting by then.
Oh, got a 16. I'm like, really? He goes, you'll have to learn it. Because I had to go to the post office and back.
Right.
It's hilarious. Yep. Nice. Look at that. God. I'm saying, it's classic. 273 Commando. Oh my goodness. Some people probably don't care about these videos, but I think it's cool. Toyota Duster.
Didn't get laid right away though. It took 9 or 10 days.
351. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Good to see families out here too as well, so this will be full of people, Minnesota State Fair. That's nice. 390. Over here. There you go. That bad boy. Oh my. 6-pack. Nice. $1970. Oh my goodness. Nice. It's just unbelievable. Love these old cars. So what year is this? Like a 65?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I can do wheelies, baby.
Oh, look at this bad boy. Oh my goodness.
496 is floor.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's got plenty of horsepower, I bet.
The classic ones, the Mechanics Dream, these ones you can get at this, you know, alternator, the whole 9 yards, you know, you get at everything. You know, it's easy to fix.
Yeah, I happen to know just a little bit about that.
It's nice. For sale, Boondoggie. Doom Buggy. 651, 216, 61, 8500. That's not bad. Be a fun little vehicle.
This is one I restored myself.
Oh my.
Yep, about 450 horsepower, 525 foot-pounds of torque.
What kind of car is it?
It's a 72 Plymouth Barracuda.
From next door has one.
Oh, yeah?
Over in Minnetonka. Yep, in his garage.
444 speed.
Yep.
Yeah, it's in my garage because
Yep.
I got to look at all the cars. I'm not going to sit by mine all day.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Yep. Really bad boy.
Make it made through and stuff and then run it like it's.
There's kind of pals. We got that convertible over there. I don't want to go too far for the music, but I guess not a big deal. Go look. See, this convertible should be down. Go look over here. These are some sweet cars. I wish I had my own like warehouse full of convertibles or something. But I like it. Look at the Wanderer. I think I've seen it done before. Ooh. Look at that bad boy. Unique. I bring my. If I was gonna have them do a car for me, I'd do them. They'd be my ones who would do it for me. Unique. Here it is, man. This nice convertible right over here. I think I see a Javelin over there. I do. I see a Javelin. Oh yeah. I do. I see a Javelin. Love Javelins. Coupe. What do you guys think, huh? Oh my God. Very nice. We'll go over here and look at a Cadillac over here. This is a big dog right over here. This is the kind of car that wouldn't fit in my garage. 1971, 20 G's. See, that's not bad. 20 grand for this car? See, don't like these. I do. I think these are cool as hell. It's a gangster car. 651, 747, 7108. To me, that's worth it. It's fun. It's a fun vehicle. Oh. Be still, my young man, be still. I'm gonna go see a Javelin here real soon. It's the Bonnevilles I like too as well. Yeah. Nice. We got a big bad boy over here. Oh my goodness. Look at that big boy. One hell of an engine in there, huh? 460 Mo. Nice. 68 Corvette. Love these. Not fast, I just love the look. Well, car I want to get someday. Never go on YouTube and type in Javelin. You go down a rat hole. Favorite? My friend had a red one when I was growing up. Oh, look at that bad boy. Most underrated vehicle out there in my mind. I love GMC. Reminds you a lot of Must. There you go. What do you guys think, huh? See what year is it? 71, 72, or is it 73? Numbers matching. Oh, you don't see those too often. So that's the vehicle right there for me. But that thing right there is nice, right over there, that Cougar. That's a rare vehicle over there, that one over there. But, hell of a nice vehicle. So anyways, guys, we'll kind of end it here at the 10-minute mark here. Probably put this one up on TikTok. So, it's a lovely and talented muscle car show here in Minnesota, the 22nd day of July. So, all right, guys. Yeah, this right here, we'll enter the Cougar. There you are, you guys. What do you think, huh?